I've always wanted to go to China. So, and we also like the small group tours because we get to meet nice people like these folks here. Everything's been great. The food has been wonderful. If anybody wants to book a tour, do it with them because they overfeed you at every place you go. And there's lots of fun, excitement, adventures that we've had, and we haven't had to do any of the hard work.
Bonjour, my name is Gianfranco.
Mon nom est Louise.
We are very, very pleased to be here. This has been an excellent tour. We really, really appreciate all the coordination that's been put together. We've had a really great time.
The food everywhere was delicious. I have to say my personal favorite was the home-cooked meal from a local woman in Xi'an.
The booking process was really easy. We found out about Travel China Guide on the internet and we did some research and there was really good reviews. Doing the booking process was very simple. Everyone was quick to respond and answer any questions that we had.
I'm from Australia, so I had looked at the possibility of travelling with other companies, but it didn't matter how long I researched for, I kept coming back to Travel China Guide, and it was for many reasons that I chose the company, including for price and for their service that they supply. The people who I've dealt with over the internet have been professional and very easy to deal with.
We highly recommend Travel China Guide. It's a very nice company, nice to have a small tour group.
Everything's been very easy.
And made very easy. Good drivers.
Very good guides.
Very good guides.
Yeah.
And we hope to be able to do it again.
Yeah.
Via email correspondence, getting back to us very quickly, and organised a customised tour for us, specifically what we wanted, and changed bits and pieces here and made it all fit